This is a classic bug-out version of a Chevy Nova hatchback. So starting out in the front, if you want to bug out and you want to get a little more miles per gallon, it only makes sense to have a chromed out 250 cubic inch Chevy straight six versus the big V8. And then if we step back, it's got the donkey donk wheels on it and a real special tent on the back. And that's what makes it the most bug out capable Nova I've ever seen. So if we swing around here, you can see he calls it the Novamino. I think that's a reference to the El Camino, so it's like half Nova, half El Camino. The back seats are gone or folded down, and it's party in the rear with business in the front. So you've got your blankie, you got your sound system, and you can bug out with your old lady in a classic Chevrolet Nova. What's it look like inside the cockpit for the pilot? It looks like the 1980s, maximum speed 80 miles an hour. And a lot of plastic, a lot of vinyl. So there you go, bug out classic Chevy Nova.